So now we are going to see the sequence of program. Notepad comes into the sequence first. In the Notepad, we can write our code source files. That is the .c file or .h file, startup file, .s, linker script, .ld. Now what my compiler will do, it will take the .c, .h file, 2-3 stages it will combine, it will create the object file .o. .s file, this is processed by the assembler and it will create the object file. What is the work of the linker? It will take the different object files and it will merge them. So what is the second job of the linker? So linker will decide that which part of the code will go and sit in which memory. Now linker don't know what is the memory, what is the address, from which address to which address it has to put the code, from which address to which address it has to put the data. We need to tell the linker this is the flash, this is the RAM. How we will tell that linker? We will use the linker file to tell the linker what is the memory layout of the microcontroller. First it will combine all the object files, then it will decide based on the linker file input that which part of the code will go which memory location. Linker will take everything, then it will generate the final binary image. Final binary image can be in the many formats. We have .hex, .bin, .elf. So STM32 microcontroller supports the ELF. So in this ELF file only everything is written in the machine instruction. Now we have to flash this binary image into the microcontroller, flashing into the target, and in target also it flashes the image into the flash memory, code region, code memory, program flash. In this memory we are going to dump. And how we are going to do this? We will use flasher tool. This is the complete sequence, how the programming goes, how the build process goes, flashing process. If you are facing some issue in execution or execution is not according to the expectation, we need to use the debugger. Pretty much everything we have covered: compiler, assembler, the linker, the flashing tool or setup file, the linker file, debugger.